Hello and welcome to my sculpting channel and a little bit more. Today I'm gonna open, I had another package. I don't know, I'm actually really excited to try. I'm gonna be trying a lot of resin this year and it's almost over. But let's see what is in the box. Whoa. Okay, this is amazing because they sent me 3. So first of all, kind of like the design of the box. A lot of companies they're only brown. This one is kind of colorful. Kind of like it. Has the same thing. Has instructions. Shake well. Use mask. How toxic it is. The usual. It has if you wanna follow their social media. I don't see any colors. So a lot of boxes are just standards. So it doesn't have any information about what kind of resin it is. Let's check it out. Has a foam and the bottle. That's simple. Kind of like the design of the bottle. And let's say this product is valid for 12 months. Check well. Okay, interesting. It does have a tag over here that it says what is the color and also on top. And it looks like it's skin color. Never have tried this color, so this is gonna be fun. I don't know what I can print with this, but this is gonna be great. Let's see the other colors. They're supposed to be the same than other resin that they have the big bottles. The design is a little bit slimmer, but I'm loving it. This one right away, I know that the bottle doesn't, it's a little bit generic, but I can see right away the sticker in the top and over here on the side. And this is color gray. I was also always doubting of getting another gray resin, but now that I'm getting different type of resins, I can explore and I can see which one I like the most. And I have another one over here. This is amazing. This is gonna be 3 different prints, 3 different colors that I'm gonna be able to use. And this is another one that I have never used. I'm really excited about it. And this is the color red wax. So this is really interesting. I'm guessing it's not like a strong red. It's more like a, I don't know how to say it, but it says wax. So I'm imagining like a waxy red. I'm really excited. There's 3. The brand of this product is Funcrecol. And it says that it's functional, creative, and colorful. So for sure colorful. So far they're doing a great job. The design, I love it. So let's try them out. And we're back after a few days. Already printed some pieces with this resin and I'm impressed. I love the color. I don't know if it is me, but I feel like this resin give a look of softness, if that makes sense. Also like creamy colors. And if you are into that or that's what you like, this resin is for you. Let me show you some of the things that I printed. Something simple, but let's start with the red wax. For me, it was a little bit more like a orange, but for sure I can see the wax. I can see the color, and like I said, I like it. And let me know in the comments if you have used this resin. For sure, I know there is a tough resin, so I'm looking forward to try that in the future. But for now, I'm like I said, I really like the colors. We got and we see the gray. This gray, I have to say that it's a little bit lighter than others gray that I use, but I think that's a plus. I can see the details really well and I love how it looks. If you see some defects on my pieces, it's not the resin. My printer, I just realized that it has a hole and the resin is going into the screen and is preventing a certain part to print right. So for sure I need to fix that, but I wanted to share this video with you as soon as possible. But for sure I'm gonna print more pieces and probably put it on my Instagram. And then we go now with the skin color. I never really seen or work with a color like this, and I really love the hue of the color. And you can see over here, this is the smallest, I think. Yeah, I think it's one of the smallest pieces I ever done that has not only a lot of details, but it's a full body and it has so many tiny things, and I'm just loving it. No, it captured the details really well. I'm just impressed. Like I said, I think the colors, I think I'm really liking it. So, and what you think of this Funcrecol called? Remember, functional, creative, and colorful. I cannot stop looking at the bottles. It's just really great. Now we have always this brown, typical. At least they change the shape, but typical brown bottles. I know some other companies are trying different things, but for sure I love this one. Okay, so subscribe. See you next time. Enjoy art. Remember, this is a sculpting channel, but I do 3D printing. And what do you think? If you want something that looks soft and it has a great color, this resin could be for you. So see you next time.